Hi, I am Dr. Ali Brashears. My pronouns are she, hers, and I am the director of the CUNY LGBTQIA+ Consortium.
And my name is JC Carlson, pronouns they, them, and I'm the associate director of the CUNY LGBTQIA+ Consortium.
We're super excited today because this year we expanded into all 5 boroughs. The whole purpose of the consortium is to build alliances across CUNY and to develop and support programming, training, and all sorts of events.
And here we are right now, we're at Queens Pride, and Pride is a party, Pride's a protest, Pride's personal, it's political, it's empowering. We're right here in the world's borough, and there's nothing like Queens Pride. It's the most diverse Pride celebration in all 5 boroughs in New York City. Let's give our CUNY students, our faculty, and our staff as many opportunities through the work of the consortium to express themselves, to find their pride. Let's keep on saving lives, and that's what we're doing here today.
It's great to be here. CUNY's out in full force. What a beautiful day. CUNY's proud to be here. Guardia is proud to be here. It's all a great, great event. Happy Pride.
This is a very special march. This community in particular is very, very diverse. And all the community comes out and supports our LGBT community. So that's really important.
This is wonderful. You know, we haven't had it in 2 years. So to come back after COVID so strong, it really is encouraging.
Well, here's the 30th anniversary of the Queens Pride. This really is one of the signature events of Pride Month.
I think it's really important to be out loud and proud, and that's what this parade is about, is making sure that people feel free enough and secure enough and safe enough that they can be out loud and proud. And so we come to the neighborhoods, we come to Queens, we are everywhere, and come out and be loud and proud.
It's important that all of our students at CUNY have a sense of belonging and have a community and feel safe. We are all about creating a culture of care and having everyone on campus feel that they belong, and this is one fabulous way to help make that happen for our LGBTQ students.
Queens Pride March helps me embrace myself for who I am. When I came to CUNY, everybody welcomed me with open arms. With a family like CUNY, I am able to be who I am.
This has become my family, my community. And it was really nice to actually be in Pride and dance, have other people smile at you, wave at you, and like see your flag represented in all the people that were around. It was really comforting to feel support from everyone.
This is a community that stands for all that our community stands for. To have this type of diverse crowd, so prideful, that's why Queens is unique to me. And I've been coming to Queens Pride for so many years, I'll never stop. We're here, we're queer, and we're not going anywhere.
So to go where everybody can celebrate in pride, in community, it's just amazing to watch people having so much fun, coming out, celebrate themselves. That's exciting.
This parade for me is the true embodiment of where we wanted to go with the movement. For someone who's lived his entire 52 years in this borough, means everything, right? That this is our parade, and I think the Queens Pride Parade is the best pride parade of all of them.
This parade's been going on 30 years. Folks like Jimmy and Danny have been fighting hard to expand rights and freedoms, and here we are celebrating, and we got a gorgeous day. We're going to keep marching, keep building this beautiful, diverse coalition.
In New York, we love our diversity. We love our diversity on race and religion and creed and gender and orientation. And it makes New York a better place because people who are oppressed from around the country and around the world know that they can seek freedom here in New York. Lots of LGBTQ people who didn't find a comfortable place in their homes have come to New York and made it a great place.
New York is here for you. We love you, you matter, and no matter what's going on around the country, we will be fighting for your rights, for your dignity, and for justice for the LGBTQIA community.